Hi, Claire with Roostin Woodworks. What we have here is the Rustic Cherry Classic 8-sided oblong pedestal. It's 30 inches overall height, has an installed bottom. It has a mounting surface of 24 by 32, 3/4 inch recess. These pedestals are designed for animals such as Cape buffalo, elk. As you can see, the mounting surface is large enough to handle any specimen. And these pedestals must be crated and shipped by truck. And it's free to you, but they must be shipped to a commercial address. And if you have any questions on that, please contact us at roostinridge.com. Thank you.